Do you want to build your own robot? MATLAB and Simulink make it easier than ever. They've created an open source GitHub repository filled with robotics resources to help you get started. Inside, you will find examples covering robot arms, ground vehicles, drones, and more, all designed to be practical and easy to learn from. You will see how to connect with ROS and ROS2 and even deploy your Simulink models directly as ROS nodes. You can also dive into projects like modeling off-road environments and testing navigation algorithms in photorealistic simulations. Each project is well documented, with links to tutorials and tools that help you go from concept to working prototype faster. Whether you are a student, researcher, or just curious about robotics, you will find resources here that match your level. This isn't just a collection of code, it's a community project. You can explore and share your favorite resources with others. Check out the repo today and start building the robotics projects now.